Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The last YouTube shorts got me thinking, can I own a Danash drive filled with my cat memes ASAP? As I dug deeper, I wondered if our entire photo library, tax documents, Spotify playlists, cat memes, and the entire contents of YouTube could be stored inside a tiny droplet of blood. Oh my god, no, this isn't science fiction or Hogwarts. This is apparently science, and it apparently is scientifically possible. And the magical flash drive we're talking about, it's DNA. Yes, the twisty little thing that tells your body not to grow a third eyebrow. Today, we're going on a wild ride through double helices, data storage, and the most efficient system Mother Nature has ever built. But why do we need DNA storage? Isn't what we have now sufficient? So, here's the thing. We humans are data hoarders. Like digital squirrels, we're stashing away everything from cat memes to entire Netflix series like it's our own bag of acorns with absolutely no consequences. And data centers, they're completely sweating it out. Literally, these monsters use up to 1.5% of the world's electricity. They're hot, bulky, and more high maintenance than a cactus that only drinks champagne. I wish I were that cactus. It gets treated like a frigging queen. Oh, did you know cactuses can prep alcohol? But that topic is for another day. Now, back to us data hoarders. By 2040, we're expected to produce 10 to the power 24 bytes of data per year. That's a yottabyte. Almost like a digital Godzilla stomping over all our servers. Here enters DNA, a storage wizard perfected over 3.5 billion years. While hard drives wear out in a decade, DNA can last an entire millennia. I did call up the woolly mammoths last night and asked them. They confirmed that the capabilities of DNA were in fact true. We humans are still pulling their genetic code out of ancient bones like prehistoric USB sticks. Do they complain? Nah, they're quite happy if there's a possibility of rebirth apparently. Once again, a topic for another day. But let's talk about our science heroes. Harvard stored an entire book including images in DNA back in 2012. The book, Regenesis by George Church, was stored and retrieved from DNA. And across the country, the birthplace of the atomic bomb, yup, the same Los Alamos National Laboratory, scientists were flipping the script once again. They created the Adaptive Data Storage Codex, or ADS Codex, to generate coded sequences in the language of DNA from our usual binary code. In Yeti Zurich, they encoded a whole hip-hop music video into synthetic DNA, then sealed it in a plastic disc that is all proofs together, fireproof, waterproof, UV-proof, and it's also chemically stable for hundreds of years. Basically, it's the Captain America shield for storage devices. And when they played the video back, it worked. No glitches or skips, just smooth molecular beats from a disk that could outlive your entire iTunes library. My DNA is already whispering to me, I don't drop albums, I drop alleles. Okay, psychocrats, here's how the magic happens. And no, you cannot do these stunts in your kitchen. But I will tell you the recipe anyway. Step 1. Translate your cat meme. That means turning your zeros and ones into DNA's alphabet A, T, C, and G. So your cat video becomes a sweet little stand of genetic poetry. Step 2. Use DNA synthesis machines to chemically build this code like a biological 3D printer. Step 3. When it's time to play back your files, use a DNA sequencer, basically a high-tech barcode scanner for molecules, to read the letters back and reassemble your file. And boom, you've got yourself a genetically stored MP4 file. But here's a problem. If you store all your files in DNA, how do you find one specific cat video without sequencing everything? So, researchers added something called DNA barcodes or index sequences, which are tiny digital name tags attached to each file. This lets machines find what they're looking for super fast. It's like slapping post-it notes on a double helix. But is this even practically possible? Let's be real right now, it's still super pricey. Storing 1 megabyte of data in DNA costs around $1,000. That's like buying a golden flash drive made of unicorn tears. But companies like Microsoft, Twist Bioscience, and Micron are speeding up synthesis and also bringing costs down. They're building DNA data writers that are way faster, smaller, and cheaper. Think of probably laser printers for genomes. So, why is DNA the GOAT? Here's where DNA absolutely flexes. Cold storage, not needed, just keep it dry. Smart compression, DNA packs millions of gigabytes into a small pinhead. Eco-friendly, no fans, no power, no angry humming servers, just a test tube chilling on the shelf. It's almost like storing one single test tube vial and someone just labeling it, "Hey, don't shake this, it contains thousands of my memes." Now, if you're wondering, can my cat memes get cloned into a woolly mammoth when I try to extract them? Nope, this won't accidentally or intentionally clone a woolly mammoth when you're trying to open your cat memes. There's zero biological function. It's not alive, not in your body, and definitely not mutating into anything extraordinary. In the next 10 to 20 years, you might store your photos in a tiny little test tube. Libraries could exist in vials instead of buildings. DNA hard drives could be used for secure spy missions. Even NASA is looking for this for space missions because DNA doesn't mind the vacuum of space. So next time someone tells you DNA is just for biology nerds, you tell them, "Nah bro, it's the future of Dropbox." Imagine you giving your kids a vial of liquid and saying, "Hey son, here's your new laptop." If you found this fascinating, weird, or wonderfully nerdy, smash that like button, subscribe, and send this to someone who's out of iCloud space. Until next time, keep your data tight, but keep your double helix tighter. In the meanwhile, I will leave you psychocrats with a thought to ponder over. Do you guys think we weren't just born, but actually programmed? If DNA is in fact a code, then who or what was the original coder? Did someone code living beings just like we're coding robots today? Well, these are answers only our scientists can provide. Therefore, keep sciencing through your day and comment below for fun discussions. Keep waiting for my next video. Bye-bye.